Okay, here is a problem my dear sweet little student said they struggled with last night. Some of them anyway, some of them got it already. But I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this one to show how students can practice math practice number 7. Use the structure of an equation here, use the inverse operation to break out a variable to determine the variable's equation. Now here we have 6 5/10 or 6 1/2 equals m over 4. m over 4. Now anytime you have a fraction, this operation is division. Anytime you have a fraction, you're having to you can divide. You can divide and eventually find a decimal. You can multiply that by 100 and get a percent. I mean, there's all kinds of things. Now I'm looking around my room for all my active listeners, and I hope everybody is paying attention to the Promethean board and they're following along the best they can. Now, I already said that this operation is divide, and the inverse operation of division is multiplication. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to multiply m over 4, and that's a little multiplication next. It doesn't look very pretty. I'm going to do it again. I don't want to have it too messy. m4 times 4, and that's going to reduce these two out, so I'm left with just m over here. But I can't just write down 6 at 0.5 here. If I multiply this side of the equal sign by 4, I have to multiply this side by 4 also. Now, I'm going to use a little bit of mental math to work this out. I know that if I have 4 halves, I have 2 wholes. And I know 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus the 2 wholes is going to give me 26. So I know that m equals 26. Now, boys and girls, if we were using our SFA PTM rubric, if I were a random reporter, what score would I deserve?
100.
Yeah, I gave you my math practice, I showed you my process, I gave you a correct answer, and I tried to throw in as much vocabulary that was appropriate to the problem that I could think of. Alright, thanks.